Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Antminer L7 mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 13 kilograms and gross weight about 14.5 kilograms. Antminer L7 supports the SCRYP algorithm, allowing you to mine LTC and DOGE cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 9050 mH/s. Its power consumption is 3260 watt, making it an excellent choice with outstanding parameters. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 9046 mH/s, the power consumption is approximately 3466 watt, and the noise level is around 83 decibels. How to set up the miner for working normally. Download the Mining Machine Bulk Management tool, click on Mining Pool Services, click on Tools Software, scroll down to find the BTC Mining Machine Bulk tool, click on it to download and unzip it. Open the Bulk Management tool, click Scanning. You can find the currently connected mining machine, you can set the mining address, miner name and the tool software, batch for all the currently connected mining machine. The mining address and miner name can also be configured by entering a single mining machine. How to get the mining address? Open the URL https://www.f2pool.com, register, and log into your account. The coin choice is LTC. Scroll down to find the mining address. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income, and so on. Based on an LTC price of $85.46 and a mining difficulty of 37.0473 M on April 13, 2024, the daily earnings of the Antminer KS39.4T miner are approximately $4.93. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: the Antminer L7 9050M miner is a very good one for mining Doge coins, with low power consumption of only 360 watt per GH, which makes it very profitable and suitable for long-term use in large-scale mining farms. By Miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.